All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So normally I do this with a share, but let's do something different this time. These couple of lines will tell you how I feel about your coming here, all of you. चांदनी रात बड़ी देर के बाद आई है, ये मुलाकात बड़ी देर के बाद, देर के बाद आज की रात बड़ी देर के बाद आई. And the texts and the emails. It's so nice that we are out. Thanks to God Almighty for that we all survived this difficult time. So, like I said, how about I have a round of applause for all of you first? Yourself. Maza nahi aaya? Who is lazy here? She comes from an affluent, very well-off family from India. She's talented and experienced in so many different fields. I can just name them and you would be shocked. She was an accomplished Kathak dancer, very, very bold. That's what I like about her. Thank you. But besides being bold, very compassionate, helpful, loved by her friends. Where are her friends? See? I like that. Both her and her husband have left a mark in both franchise business and independent business. Whatever they touched turned into gold. So I'm so happy to have her as my partner. She wanted me to tell everyone how we met. So at Meadows Club 5 years back or so, I happened to be just at the front door, and I was still waiting for my friends, and I see her smiling and coming, and what did I do?
Hi, Pinky.
So I not only said hi, we didn't know each other. I said hi, but her smiles made me go and hug her, and she never forgets that. She says, "Aap mujhe jante nahi the, aapne mujhe hug kiya us time pe." So that says a lot, right? Now, let me bring our third partner here, Mr. Ashok Pordar. I'd like to invite you on stage. He is the founding president of Silver Senior Group and Shriji Tours and Travels. Received special award for his dedication from UPS, where he used to work. He's also advisory board member of VSM Haveli and honorary board member of DuPage Senior Council. Both Pinky ji and Ashok ji have helped us a lot. Every time we had a meeting, Pinky ji made her homemade food, which we really liked every time. Even though I tell her, you don't have to do it, this is not even chai time. But she said, no. And I love her idli sambar. But also, a salute to Dr. Ashok Pordar. All the mistakes I make because I'm always multitasking, and Madhu knows that, and everybody knows that. He was verifying. I kept saying him. People are saying yes, now they're saying no, now I'm missing this one, I'm missing this one. And I kept telling him, make sure that you verify whatever I write and whatever I send you. And a lot of trips to plaques and this and that, so thank you very much. I think last night he was up until 3 p.m. and we handled, because there are a lot of changes. You know, people say, my husband is not coming, or now my husband is coming, or this happened or that happened. So all the table seating keeps on changing, and then sometimes we miss someone and we make mistakes. So thank you very much, both of you. Thank you. Welcome everyone. So I wanted to explain what PPA is. I'm sure you guessed it's our initials, but what is the entertainment part of it? So the first section is honoring very deserving people today. And let me ask you something before I get into that. How many of you, I want to see hands being raised. How many of you done either a shower or anniversary or birthday or wedding at a banquet hall? Just one person? No. Sadhna? This table? Everybody? All right, and there's a reason why I'm explaining all that. Yes, so give me 1 minute and I'll explain why. Sometimes when I do Diwali party, I've been doing it for last 10 years or so, everybody says, Pratibha, no speeches, make it entertainment. And I do that. In that process, what I end up doing, and Gurmeet ji and Anita ji, and they'll all tell you, in order to rush it, I don't properly introduce whether they are sponsors or friends or supporters, because I'm trying to keep it short. So thank you for letting me know. I'm going to do my best. For the reason I explained it, again, is the process is going to take some time. Be patient. Let's say there are three categories. One is sponsors. Why we do that? Why every time we do that? The reason I asked all of you have done an event, do you think the cost per person was just for food? Does anybody know that? There was cost of photographers, there was cost of decoration, and do you see we tried to do the centerpieces, the backdrop, and the uplights. So and the tickets are always way lower than even what we pay the banquet hall, and the other expenses are always overhead. If it wasn't for sponsors, the level will be just like what you do party in basement, and all of you do that. So I just wanted to take 1 minute to explain why we have to do this, and you will be patient. There are other categories. Some people have done very well in business. They're business entrepreneurs, they've done very well. It's time to recognize them. Some people, they have been the best spouse behind a successful man or woman, either way. And normally what happens is they don't get recognized. It's always the leader who gets recognized and don't. So that is one of them. Some of the mothers don't get recognized. So today we, Pinky ji and Ashok bhai, we thought it's time to honor some of those people. But before we do that, and actually even singers, you see trophies, every singer, today's show is not about singing. Enjoy, have fun. That's all. Come to dance floor when somebody is singing. So we want to make sure everybody goes happy from here so they will remember it. So next, moving on, I'd like to invite some of our community leaders for lamp lighting, and I'll go into introduction a bit later. Mr. and Mrs. Sunil Shah. Dr. and Mrs. Bhupinder Berry. I don't know if Dr. Kamal Patel is here. Mr. Dinesh Thakkar, since Mrs. Dinesh Thakkar is here already. Mrs. Aparna Khot. All right, she's not here. Mr. Gurmeet Dalwan. And Mr. Kirit Thakkar. ये सबका इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ी देर में होगा, but Mr. Kirit Thakkar, past president of Lohana Samaj. I'm sorry, current president of Lohana Samaj. We just met too, but 6 months back. All right. I say about the famous personality of Chicago and around in other states? Yes, thank you very much, Sureshji. Thank you so much. The roots of goodness lie in soul of appreciation. Founding president with FIA, Chicago just completed 25 successful and glorious years.
Today we have gathered for this beautiful musical event, and we are at Big Suchir, and Big Suchir, it feels like it's a big house for us. Like every other weekend, we are here and meeting our good friends. Majority of you, we see every other weekend. Congratulations, Niranjan Bhai. And this time, Big Three with Big Heart has organized this amazing evening for us. And those Big Three are none other than our very dear FIA Vice President Altaf Bukhari and FIA Director Jitendra Balsara. Am I missing anyone? And also our FIA Advisory Board member Pinky Ben Thakkar and FIA Joint Secretary Ila Chowdhury. So we got a lot of FIA members here, present here today to enjoy this event, and also would like to invite you all for our August 13th Independence Day event. This time it's the 75th, like it's a platinum jubilee celebration of our country, India. And we'd like to invite you all to a banquet on August 13th at Marriott Hoffman Estate. Many on Facebook would have seen the flyer, and it would be more in the newspaper than TV and everywhere. But please save the date, please mark the date, and try to attend if possible. You'll have a great time. And once again, thank you all. And Pinky Ben and Dinesh Bhai, with you guys, we have some kind of a bondage of feelings, bondage of friendship, bondage of emotions. And it's great to be here with you all. Thank you.
And we'd like Ashok Bhai and Pinky Ben, we'd like to present flowers to Sunil, Mr. Sunil Shah.
Ji and Ashok Bhai trust me to do this program with you guys. And thank you, my dear and hubby, my buddy, my life partner D. Love you, okay? Always supporting me. And my three boys, Amit, Neil and Matthew. And today I am this stage because of Rita ji, Sunil Bhai, Bhavna Ben and Kirit Bhai. I am here. After 40 years I'm with stage. So thank you everyone for coming. Enjoy the show. And God bless everyone. God bless USA. And just enjoy. Thank you.
This is impromptu. आप सब देख रहे हैं कि Mrs. Rita Shah has pleasantly, not just surprised, impressed all of us from her melodious voice. So she is not just the woman behind a successful man. She did take some family time out, but it's time for her to come back. So to start the show, I think, as you know, we always thank Almighty. I'd like to request Mrs. Rita Shah to present a shlok and a bhajan. Zordar taaliyan.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। सारे जहां के मालिक तेरा ही आसरा है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक तेरा ही आसरा है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक हम क्या बताएं तुझको, सब कुछ तुम्हें खबर है, हर हाल में हमारी तेरी तरफ नजर है। किस्मत है ये हमारी, किस्मत है ये हमारी, जो तेरा फैसला है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक दुनिया बना के मालिक, जाने कहाँ छिपा है, आता नहीं नजर तू, बस एक ही गिला है, भेजा है इस जहां में, भेजा है इस जहां में, वो तेरा शुक्रिया है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक रोकर कटे या हंस कर कटती है जिंदगानी, तुम गम दे या खुशी दे, सब तेरी मेहरबानी, तेरी खुशी समझ कर, तेरी खुशी समझ कर सब गम भुला दिया है, राजी है हम उसी में जिसमें तेरी रजा है। सारे जहां के मालिक, सारे जहां के मालिक, सारे जहां के मालिक।
Thank you.
To come on stage for honoring the folks that I had talked about before. So, I don't want to repeat the introduction, but as you know, this introduction was going to be with the plaque, and we'll like to present the first plaque to him, and then he will help us. Round of applause for Mr. Sunil Shah. And like I said, he has lifted a lot of people and he keeps on doing it. So salute to both Sunil ji and Rita ji. Thank you everyone. So just stay here because we have a list for him. Dr. Bhupinder Berry and Anita Berry. A skilled and compassionate veterinarian doctor. If you really want to know how good he is and she is, just go to Yelp and type their name. I would say 50% of credit goes to management of clinic by Mrs. Anita Berry. So they are receiving leadership excellence and community support. As most of you have noticed, that they have been sponsoring few events that helps the organizers with the overhead expenses that do not come from the tickets.
I'm taking this behalf of my son. He's out of Chicago, so I'm taking my son's award.
Actually, award is for you and Anuradha Khot. This was done separately because it's time to recognize, like I said, the woman behind. I should not say that, but that's how it is. Thank you. ये आपके लिए था. Thank you. Next we have Mr. Dinesh Thakkar for his outstanding support to community service and entrepreneurship. Owner of several subways and convenient marts, but very humble. He and his wife have been helping the community for quite some time now. Mr. Dinesh Thakkar, I'd love to have Pinky Thakkar give him a plaque. Of course, Sunil ji. Next we have Mr. Kirit Thakkar, past president of Lohana Samaj for his current, sorry I keep saying that because I wrote it wrong, current president of Lohana Samaj for leadership excellence. And both Kirit and Bhavna ji are very close friends of Dinesh and Pinky Thakkar. 35 years friendship, and she told me the story, very impressed. So I know that some people are impatient, that's why I gave that 2-minute explanation, and I like the photographers also to rush and people to be coming when I announce their name, just to make it faster. Thank you, thank you. Next we have Dr. Kamal Patel. He's not here, so we'll have to do it another time. Mr. Gurmeet Singh Dhalwan for his leadership excellence. Gurmeet Singh Dhalwan is media personality. He is founder, president of Adbhut Media newspaper and channel. Mr. Dhalwan is an entrepreneur with more than 2 decades of experience in wholesale and retail business. He is the founder, president of Midwest Punjabi Association and non-profit organization. He is member of Cultural Inclusion and Diversity Commission, Village of Hanover Park. Mr. Dhalwan is a successful businessman in the Midwest USA, community leader, social worker, and philanthropist. Thank you. Next we have Mr. and Mrs. Bridge Sharma. So we have 2 awards actually for each one of them. As everybody know, Mr. Bridge Sharma, CEO of PowerVolt, and actually he had made his mark in 4 continents wherever he went. Very impressive. And as I said, I want to also make sure that some of the credit bhai sahab, they are also my Rakhi bhai and bhabhi. So some of the credit goes to Mrs. Vijay Sharma. She is inspirational support in whatever she does. And actually the business, when they first started it, it was her and him in the basement, and the very cute story some other time will tell you. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to make one correction. Pratibha ji के उन्होंने कहा कि she was partly supportive. Complete support.
Wow, I think God.
Without that, it will not be possible whatever we have done. And not only a support, she has actually actively involved in doing things. So thank you very much.
I was going to talk about Vijayji is a little bit more. Not only she helps him in business and all computer work and payroll and everything. At this stage in life, she is also taking care of grandchildren, which none of us will be able to do. And more importantly, she's always there with the full support. Very intelligent lady, just hasn't come forward yet. I am so happy that I'm bringing some of the ladies forward. And I know that because she is really very intelligent. Thank you.
And one other thing I would like to add here and take advantage of the opportunity because I have the microphone. She does not have it. She has done so many good things for us. Time and again, as she has entertained us, she has brought us all friends together. She works hard to keep us together and does everything. Now, Diwali function, all other functions that she does, is all she is doing is out of passion for her, but for us to come together. Since this COVID is over, or when it was almost coming to the end, she was always talking. Well, how do we come together? We want to come together. We want to make something happen so that we can celebrate this end of COVID. Now she has done it. And let me take advantage of the opportunities. Whenever I say that, Pratibha, you have done a good thing, and I want to contribute something to your cause. She says, no, bhai sahab, you are my guest. ये गेस्ट कह के छोड़ देती है. जब हम कभी इसको फोर्स करके कोई छोटा मोटा चेक दे भी देते हैं तो ये डिपॉजिट नहीं करती. बोलते कि यू आर माई गेस्ट, आपके नहीं ले सकती. आज भी जब अंदर आए तो इसको बोला कि वी वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट समथिंग. बोलती नो यू आर माई गेस्ट. So now I want to take the advantage that in front of everybody here, I want to tell her that I do want to contribute and you have to accept it in front of everybody and you have to deposit the check. Okay? It's coming. Thank you. I don't want to say the amount, but that's okay.
Like Bridget said, we have some very deserving person on the dais here today, and now let's present her an award. Let's give a round of applause to Pratibha Jairath for this award. Please come over here. We have a senior FI Advisory Board member, Dr. Asha Oraskar and Dr. Anil Oraskar. I would request them to come on the front and please take their seat. Asha and Anil, please come forward and take your seat in the front table.
I actually went and requested them while Rita ji was singing to come to Sunil ji's table. I don't know why they didn't come. We have Mr. Hitesh Gandhi, but he's not here. He's the executive vice. He's not here. I think Vinita Gulbani is not here, right? Okay. Mr. Altaf Bukhari, Executive Vice President of FIA and Main Township Advisory Board member for his outstanding community support and cultural program. He has a cultural program coming up, I think, August 5th. No tickets. Aye. When I brought him as a partner in the Diwali event, a lot of people raised eyebrows, said, Pratibha, where do you get people from different religion, from different walks of life to come to Diwali? So he's one of those, huge round of applause. And he is newly elected board member of Main Township. So please do support his event August 5th, right? August 5th? August 3rd. All right, thank you. We'll send you the information. Next we have Dr. Asha Oraskar, Executive Vice President of FIA. Sorry. Dr. Asha Oraskar is scientist by training and innovator by experience and a businesswoman, extremely intelligent lady with beautiful vocabulary, and she is also FIA's advisory board member. Dr. Asha Oraskar. Next we have, thank you Asha ji. She recently also received Top 20 Global Women of Excellence Award from Multi-Ethnic Group. And we were all very proud of her. Thank you. So next person is not here, but I'll still like to announce his name and tell you. Mr. Anil Lumba, you all know, founder of Home Mortgage Solutions. Usually he's helped us, thank you. Usually he's helped us with sponsorships, everybody, but this time he's getting it for his philanthropic service. Recently with FIA, Mr. Sunil Shah, Mr. Neil Court, all of us, how much, almost close to 50,000 was the goal for oxygen, and he contributed 10,000. I thought it's worth mentioning even though he's not here, and there's for a good reason. Next, I'd like Mrs. Asha Mehta to accept his plaque. Mrs. Asha Mehta. All right, round of applause. My good supportive friend Asha, accepting on behalf of Mr. Anil Lumba. Next we're trying to do it a little faster, so please don't mind, this always happens. Dr. Madhu Uppal. She is a retired educator who worked in public schools for over 20 years. She's also a writer, lyricist. Her community involvement includes serving as president of Naperville Public Library. I think I'm so proud of it because it's non-Indian to get there. It's amazing. Also, she's secretary of Apna Ghar. She was past president, now secretary of Apna Ghar, president of Club of Indian Women, I guess last year's. And currently she's on the board of Mandi Theatre, Sanjeevani, and United Punjabis of America. She's one of the co-founders, the next person I'll be announcing soon. Thank you. Next we have Mr. Dharam Punwani for leadership excellence and selfless service. Dharam Punwani is a chemical engineer, founder of Avalon Consulting. Dharam Punwani ji was honored with the ASHRAE Fellow Award at the ASHRAE conference in 2019. He has served on various boards, including Hindu Temple of Greater Chicago, Hindu Satsang, and currently actually he's on the board of United Punjabis of America. He is one of the co-founders along with Madhu Uppal of UPA, which I'm proud to say I'm one of the board members too. Thank you, Bhaisa. And sorry that we are rushing it a little bit because of the time. One of the softest head person that was Mr. Dharam Punwani. Anytime, works very hard, doesn't show off, just humble. Next we have another humble person, Ramesh Malhan. For leadership, he is our president of UPA and selfless service to so many community people. He's on several boards, Hindu Satsang, RA Samaj, of course I said UPA president, and does a lot of seva, and he's engineer by profession. So I like that, all the engineers doing now the community seva. Wonderful. And we have a special relationship. And I happen to have a very special relationship with Malhan Bhai Sahab because of my dad. And like I said, we will take, the awards are, some of them are community leaders, some of them are doing, some of them are very talented. And with their talent, they not only make us all happy, but also they do a lot of community service and do those programs without getting paid. I'd like to invite, most of you know him, he is my co-singer in number of events that are in number of programs, especially Diwali, Mr. Raju Pankapur, for his musical talent experience. Very multi-talented, you've all heard his bansuri, of course harmonium, tabla, everything, gifted with musical talent. Thank you, Rajuji. Next we have Mrs. Shaila Khedekar for musical talent excellence. You can see, I'll see the energy. She was known as Kokila and Nightingale when she was in school, and she happens to be in our friend circle, karaoke group, Kerry, but beautiful singing, and you'll get an example of both of them pretty soon when we start the program. She's been serving the community and making people happy for 25 years, just like Raju Pankapur. Thank you. Thank you, Shalaji. Next, the next person has had an enormous growth in his business. So, like I said, we will be recognizing entrepreneurship, and here's an example of entrepreneurship excellence, Mr. Sanjeev Gulati. Actually happens to be, must be a talented family. Asha Oroskar's brother and Ranjana and Omji are here, who are also very talented. And you'll see them in a little bit too. Amazing fast growth. They are competing with bigger companies now. Next we have Mr. Ali Khan. Is he here? All right, we'll move on. Prachi Jetli, Fanny Krishna, and Naveen Karan for AANA TV show. We'd like to invite all three of them to receive the award. Thank you, Prachi Jetli. Thank you. And Naveen, and I don't think he's here. Funny. Next, so just wanted to explain something. So this was most of the awards, but there's a second section that will invite Rita Ji to present that award. But before that, we're going to the entertainment section.
कसम है ये बंधन न टूटे।
वो है जरा खफा खफा तो नैन यूं चुराए ले कि हो
ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। धक धक बोले इत उत डोले दिन रहना। ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना। ये पगला है समझाने से समझे ना।
में है कहीं नहीं मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां। मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां। ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान। तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान।
जो गाए तुम हो वो गजल कम से न भोला सा मुखड़ा लग रही हो चांद का एक टुकड़ा। हम कितनी तारीफ करें देख के तुमको आहे भरे। तुम सा नहीं है कोई प्यारा सनम प्यारा सनम। जिस दिन तुमको देखी नजर जिस दिन तुमको देखी नजर जाने होगा क्या असर। रखेंगे तुमको निगाहों में भर लेंगे तुम्हें। सोचेंगे तुम्हें प्यार करके नहीं ये दिल बेकरार।
मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक मैं जो चाहे यार करूं। चाहे गुलों के साए से खेलूं चाहे कली से प्यार करूं। सारा जहां है मेरे लिए दीवाना जिसके सब दीवाने। हाँ मैं हूँ वो दीवाना जिसके सब दीवाने। हाँ किसको है जरूरत तेरी है ज़माने। हाँ मेरा अपना रास्ता दुनिया से क्या वास्ता। मेरे दिल में तमन्नाओं की दुनिया जवां है मेरे लिए मस्त बहारों का मैं आशिक मैं जो चाहे यार करूं। चाहे गुलों के साए से खेलूं चाहे कली से प्यार करूं। सारा जहां है मेरे लिए।
तो बोल मीठे जान मन जो मुस्कुरा के बोल दे। मीठे बोल जाने मन जो मुस्कुरा के बोल दे। तो धड़कनों में आज भी
बड़ा भी गम बोल दे। ओ सनम मैं तेरा आशिक वाला, ओ सनम मैं तेरा आशिके जानिगा। ओ मेरी औरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। मेरी जौहर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान।